Hello everyone, today we have very easy recipe and same times very tasty. It's ginger man or ginger cookies with Swedish way. The Swedish way is completely different and tasty than other gingerbread. These cookies have strong aroma and the flavor is so tasty. All you need, you just follow my instruction. I will leave all the recipe in description box below the video, and then you will make fantastic ginger cookies. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011 and corporate base chef for Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, and before MSc. Very easy recipe, and you can double 2 3 10 times whatever you want your quantity. 80 gram brown sugar, muscovado sugar, 40 gram golden syrup or honey or molasses or glucose. So you have three. I prefer honey to give more delicious aroma. Then we have 30 ml water, fresh water. This all you need to make this fantastic recipe. You bring it to boil. Then you added 40 gram butter. It's so quickly boil. Just as soon as boil, you remove from the hot stove. This different because we infuse the spicy inside the syrup. And you keep it 1 hour to be more intense. Less than 2 minutes, start boiling. As soon as boil, you remove direct from heat. Just boil, you remove up. And then we added the butter, 40 gram. Don't hold the recipe, I will write it down. You keep stirring until the butter emulsify and melted in the recipe. Just wait 1 minute to reduce the heat. Then we added 3 gram cardamom, yes, cardamom powder, 3 gram cinnamon powder, 3 gram ginger powder, 1 gram nutmeg. And we leave it at least 1 hour in room temperature to infuse the flavor, to enhance aroma, and most important, to cool down. Make sure that you mix it all, emulsify together. Until all the spicy melted. You keep aside 1 hour to cool down. When it's cooled down, 180 gram of normal flour, 2 gram of baking soda. So 180 flour, 2 gram baking soda, that's all. We mix all together with the liquid, and then you have fantastic Swedish ginger cookies. Make sure that the liquid is cool, at least 22 is room temperature. Make sure that you have amazing dough. Absorb all the flour, mix it well. Of course, if you use kitchen aid or mixer, will be much easier if you have big quantity. Be patient. So to mix all the dough, you can see the color change to a beautiful brown color, which remind you all cookies in Christmas. The dough is really moist and soft and perfect taste. The same dough, you can use it also to make Christmas house. Be gentle with the dough. Don't mix hard, so I need it soft without getting strings of the dough. Now I take it all from all sides, so there is no extra flour, and I keep in plastic bag. And I keep in the fridge at least overnight. So I keep it in the fridge overnight, minimum 6 hours. After that, I take out from the fridge, as you see. I dust the table with flour. I keep knead the dough. It's beautiful moist dough and a very nice aroma. These cookies or this biscuit is maximum 3 millimeter. The Swedish people, they like it very thin to be more crispy. Now is the time. You can use star cutter or gingerman cutter, whatever cutter you have, any design you wish. I remove all the flour with brush, so I have this beautiful wood color when the cookies is ready. Also, you can brush the dough with only fresh milk, no eggs, no anything, just fresh milk, and the color will be mahogany color. Fantastic. We bake the dough 180, 9 to 10 minutes. It's depend about your oven. So 180 centigrade, not Fahrenheit, for 9 to 10 minutes, and your cookies will be ready. Please guys, if this